In this video, I'm going to be going over what is third person point of view. This is the angle from which the story is being told from. It is the he, she, they point of view. These are the three different types of third person point of view: omniscient, limited, and objective. Omniscient means all knowing. Omniscient third person point of view is a narrator that knows every character's thoughts, feelings, and motivations, even if that character doesn't reveal those to any other character. Don't forget to check out my kids' books that are located on Amazon and on Kindle. These are two kids' books and they are already self published. So take a look at them. And if you have Kindle, you get them for free. Limited third person point of view is a narrator that will be limited to one character and, unlike omniscient, doesn't know how the other characters feel. Limited third person point of view is a narrator that focuses on one character. That character is the driver of the story, and the reader is given a closer look into that character's psyche. Objective third person point of view is a narrator that reports the events that take place without knowing the motivations or thoughts of any of the characters. Objective third person point of view is a narrator that gives the detailed events, actions, and dialogues that is happening. Through these three, the readers can figure out the character's motivations, hopes, and thoughts.
Please don't forget me.
Remember, the narrator in third person point of view is not part of the story. They are only narrating to the readers of what's going on throughout the story. If you guys are getting valuable information from this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. Now let's jump back into the video, guys. Here's the homework, guys. Let's write this story together. Those wild kids knew what they were getting themselves into, but taking on this upcoming venture into the haunted mansion to save their friend was worth it. Comment down below the next part of this story. And thank you again for watching this video. If you made it this far, I appreciate your time and all the notes that you are taking. If you want to continue learning about these literary devices, click on the video right above me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so I can keep pumping out this amazing content. And I will see you guys on my next video. May the force be with you always.